In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Garmin Instinct 2. So, for example, if you want to reset your settings or reset the whole watch, if you're returning it or selling it or giving to someone else, this is how I do it. So first we have to press this menu button, the middle one. Press and hold it. Okay, till a menu like this pops up. Then we can click that menu button again and it will quickly take us to the system. Alternately, we can also press this lower button to cycle down. However, by default, if you press the menu to bring it to the bottom basically. Then using the GPS button, click on the system. Then scroll down using this ABC, the lower button. Okay, scroll down till you see this reset menu. Then select it again with this GPS button. Okay, and we can select this first one if you just want to reset settings. This won't delete your account and your stats basically from your device. If you want to do a full reset, again cycle down using this ABC button and confirm with the GPS button. Okay, so this will again make sure you're okay with this and then press the GPS button again. Okay, again cycle down to yes and yep, and we'll start the process. This will take some time, so be patient and wait. So this is basically how I do it on the Garmin Instinct 2. It also works on the standard Instinct 2, not only the solar one, as well as Instinct 2X. So if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!